Today we'll be making cranberry orange bread. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To your bread machine or stand mixer, add in water, orange juice, orange marmalade, melted butter, milk powder, sugar, salt, bread flour, and yeast. Using your bread machine or stand mixer, let it knead for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your dough should begin to form. Add in 1 cup of dried cranberries. Then let it knead for 5 minutes. Then we'll let it rest for an hour. After an hour, we can take out our dough. We'll flatten our dough and remove any excess air. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. We'll flatten each of the 3 doughs again, and then shape it and roll it into a log. Place each piece into a greased pan. Then cover and let it rise for 45 minutes. Once your dough is risen, we can bake at 350 for 30 minutes. We'll let our bread cool in the pan for 15 minutes and then remove and let it cool completely. Once completely cooled, we can slice and enjoy. And there you have it, cranberry orange bread. Enjoy!